Hi dancers, today we're going to talk about why we focus on eccentric training before we focus on concentric training when we have a lower leg injury. Eccentric contractions, like a heel lowering like this, focuses on realigning those collagen fibers. It's actually lengthening and strengthening your ankle versus the shortening that happens when you do a concentric contraction, which would be the up phase of your releve. When we do eccentric motions like this heel lowering exercise, it's a very controlled movement, and it will actually help you realign those fibers and prevent against re-injury of the lower leg muscles. After you have surgery or injury, your nervous system is disrupted and you often have to reorganize it. And that's why doing things that are very slow and controlled and building yourself back up to the ballet classroom slowly is super important. These eccentric exercises are going to help you improve your coordination. It's slow motor training that is going to get you back into the classroom and be safer than what you were pre-injury or pre-surgery state. So who should do these exercises? Anybody who has a tendon injury and they've been cleared to start their rehab phase or their back to sport phase, definitely appropriate for you. Anybody who's had a surgery like myself, like an accessory navicular removal. Ankle sprains and strains, of course, you guys definitely need to work on the eccentric motor control and lowering phase before you jump on in to doing 1,000 releves again. So all in all, if you're a dancer and you're working your way back from an injury, please start with the eccentric motor training and not the concentric. And if you want more great tips like this, then make sure you join the Dancer Resilience program. Comment below, resilient.